Aesthetic harmony, timeless inspiration for crafting your minimalist kitchen oasis. In the realm of interior design, minimalism stands as a timeless beacon of elegance and functionality. Within the heart of any home, the kitchen holds a special place, serving as a space for nourishment, gathering, and creativity. A minimalist approach to kitchen design not only enhances aesthetics but also promotes efficiency and tranquility. Here, we delve into the realm of timeless minimalist kitchen design, exploring its key principles and offering inspiration for those seeking to embrace this aesthetic in their own homes. Simplicity as the ultimate sophistication asterisk. At the core of minimalist design lies the principle of simplicity. Stripping away unnecessary clutter and ornamentation, minimalist kitchens exude a sense of calm and refinement. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a neutral color palette are hallmarks of this aesthetic. Opting for simple yet high-quality materials such as natural wood, stainless steel, and stone contributes to a sense of timeless elegance. Functionality redefined asterisk. Minimalism in the kitchen goes hand in hand with functionality. Every element serves a purpose, and every inch of space is thoughtfully utilized. Streamlined cabinetry with integrated storage solutions helps maintain a clutter-free environment, while multifunctional kitchen islands provide additional workspace and storage options. Concealed appliances and hidden fixtures further contribute to the sleek and uncluttered appearance of the space. Natural light and openness asterisk. Light plays a crucial role in minimalist design, creating a sense of spaciousness and airiness. Maximize natural light by opting for large windows or strategically placing skylights to flood the kitchen with sunlight. Avoid heavy window treatments that obstruct light, opting instead for sheer curtains or blinds that can be easily drawn aside. An open floor plan enhances the sense of flow and connectivity between the kitchen and adjacent living spaces, promoting a sense of unity within the home. Embracing neutral tones asterisk. The color palette of a minimalist kitchen is dominated by neutral tones such as white, beige, gray, and soft earthy hues. These timeless colors not only create a sense of serenity but also provide a versatile backdrop for other design elements. Accents of black or charcoal can add depth and contrast to the space, while warm wood tones introduce a touch of natural warmth. By keeping the color scheme simple and understated, the focus remains on the beauty of the materials and the purity of form. Focus on quality over quantity asterisk. In a minimalist kitchen, every design element should be carefully considered, with an emphasis on quality over quantity. Invest in durable materials and well-crafted furnishings that will stand the test of time both aesthetically and functionally. High-quality appliances with sleek and minimalist designs blend seamlessly into the overall aesthetic, enhancing rather than detracting from the space. By prioritizing craftsmanship and longevity, a minimalist kitchen becomes not only a place of culinary inspiration but also a timeless expression of refined living. Personalized touches and subtle accents asterisk. While minimalism celebrates simplicity, it also allows for personal expression and subtle accents that reflect the homeowner's taste and style. Introduce warmth and personality into the space through carefully curated accessories such as artwork, potted plants, or decorative objects. However, exercise restraint to avoid overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic with unnecessary clutter. Each element should be thoughtfully chosen to complement the overall design scheme while adding a touch of individuality. Conclusion asterisk. Timeless minimalist kitchen design embodies the essence of simplicity, functionality, and sophistication. By embracing clean lines, neutral tones, and a focus on quality craftsmanship, a minimalist kitchen creates a space that is both visually stunning and highly practical. Through thoughtful attention to detail and a commitment to simplicity, homeowners can cultivate a kitchen that transcends trends and remains a timeless sanctuary for years to come. Whether you're embarking on a kitchen renovation or simply seeking inspiration to refresh your space, let the principles of minimalist design guide you toward a kitchen that is both timeless and inspiring. A timeless kitchen design is characterized by several key elements that transcend fleeting trends and stand the test of time. Here are some factors that contribute to the timelessness of a kitchen design. 1. Quality materials. timeless kitchens often feature high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and stainless steel are popular choices because they age gracefully and maintain their appeal over time. 2. Simple and clean lines. Clean lines and minimal ornamentation are hallmarks of timeless kitchen design. Avoiding excessive embellishments ensures that the design remains relevant and appealing for years to come. 3. Neutral color palette. Neutral colors such as white, beige, gray, and soft earth tones are classic choices for a timeless kitchen. These colors provide a versatile backdrop that can easily adapt to changing styles and preferences. 4. Functional layout. A well-thought-out layout that prioritizes functionality is essential for a timeless kitchen. Efficient workflow, ample storage, and easy access to essential appliances contribute to the longevity of the design. 5. Balanced proportions. Achieving balance and harmony in the design helps create a timeless aesthetic. Proportions should be carefully considered to ensure that each element complements the overall composition of the space. 6. Attention to detail. Paying attention to small details can elevate the design and enhance its timelessness. Thoughtful touches such as quality hardware, integrated lighting, and hidden storage solutions contribute to the overall sophistication of the kitchen. 7. Adaptability. A timeless kitchen design should be able to adapt to changing needs and preferences over time. Flexibility in terms of layout and functionality ensures that the design remains relevant and practical for years to come. 8. Personalized touches. While timeless kitchens typically feature a clean and understated aesthetic, incorporating personalized touches can add character and warmth to the space. Thoughtful accessories, artwork, and decorative elements can reflect the homeowner's personality and style without detracting from the overall timelessness of the design. By incorporating these elements into the design, a kitchen can achieve a timeless appeal that transcends passing trends and remains a functional and beautiful space for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.